My day-to-day is very different every day. I do everything from spraying to mixing to applying fertilizer, loading fertilizer, maintenance on machines.
I started off in the turf division and I did bulk oil. I worked my way up and I was able to get an opportunity to get on a fuel truck. That's kind of what was my goal. FS led me through that and brought me through the system to be able to do what I wanted to do.
The variety keeps it different, keeps you excited to come to work because it's never the monotony of same day-to-day work.
I really like working around the veterans. These guys have a lot of knowledge and experience, and I learned a lot from them.
When we look for an applicant, you don't have to have any experience. We're willing to train. We have assistance for the CDL portion and then also for the obtaining your custom applicator license.
The FS system and the company culture, I work with a lot of great people. I actually have my daughter that works here too, so that's great.
I really like the teamwork that we have in-house at our own plant, but also with the plants that work together with each other, your neighbors, and it really makes life a lot easier.
It's really rewarding when you talk to a farmer and they're giving you a pat on the back. Thank you. It's really encouraging.
It's one of the better places I've ever worked. The teamwork, management, the help you get on the backside from everything is tremendous.